you should be spending time with your families, catching up with your loved ones. Nandito kayo ngayon para suportahan at dumalo sa aming event. So, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, sa bawat mukhang nakikita namin dito. In behalf of GSK, we would like to thank every one of you who came here today. Maraming salamat po sa mga press na also naglaan ng panahon para sa pagtitipong ito. Thank you also to Ms. Normie of PTC. Maraming salamat po sa pagbabahagi niyo sa amin ng oras at pagbibigay sa GSK ng pagkakataon para maipalaganap ang education against cervical cancer. Maraming salamat po. And I would just like to say a few parting words for everyone. I believe that a wife, a mother, kayo yung I'm not a mother and a wife yet, but hopefully in the future. But alam ko po, because I have my mom, I have my friends who are wives, mothers, kayo yung pinaka-selfless na mga tao sa mundo. And with your selflessness comes the power. So dahil sa inyo, dahil nga sa ginawa niyong commitment activity, you will now be able to spread the word against cervical cancer. Pero sana po, ang hiling ko lang, dahil lagi niyo namang iniisip yung sarili niyo, sana sa araw na to, paglaanan niyo naman yung sarili niyo at pag-isipan niyo paano mapapanatiling malusog yung mga sarili niyo, because dahil nga po, ang daming umaasa sa inyo, maraming nangangailangan din po na maging malusog kayo at mabuhay kayo ng mas matagal pa. So, I hope nakatulong sa ating lahat bukod sa pag-aaral paano mag-gift wrap for the Christmas season and also paano magpaganda ng kilay. I also believe that kilay is power. But sana po maibaon natin sa ating pag-uwi ang pagpapalaganap ng salita against cervical cancer and also arming yourself with protection. So, ang masasabi ko lang po, go and visit your doctor. Ask your doctor about cervical cancer protection because every woman deserves a fighting chance against cervical cancer. Maraming salamat po and enjoy the rest of the day.
Cervical cancer po kasi is one of the cancers that threatens women. And with that po, all women are at risk of cervical cancer and we want to increase awareness about cervical cancer.
So, kumusta naman ang feedback from the wife? Tungkol sa get together. Kasi meron din makeup yun ako.
The reason for this activity is to fully empower these women. One is to give them the information about what to do to prevent cervical cancer. Then the other part of the program is to enable them to, well, in an unfortunate event that they get cervical cancer, na it's not the end of it. Na life goes on and for one, sa activity natin, na it's a representation that they are also a gift to the world. And secondly, na they can still be meaningful even if they have cervical.
Okay. So, gano'n na ba kalala ang cervical cancer ngayon sa Pilipinas, status?
In terms of incidence po, 1 in 4 Filipinos and in terms of how it really affects them, 7 Filipinos have cervical cancer.
Okay. Ano ba ang nagagawa niyo immunization para against cervical cancer? Is it really effective? Should every woman have this injection?
There is what to prevent cervical cancer, and what we want to educate women is that prevention is composed of vaccination and screening.
Vaccination and screening. Pero yung binigyan mong figures kanina, lumaki to as compared to the previous years or luminad because nagkaroon na kayo na awareness campaign?
In terms of the figures, in the past, the statistics says that 12 Filipinas die of cervical cancer every day, and now we're happy to 7 Filipinas, na it lowered it to 7 Filipinas every day.
At the age of 9 for at the age of 9 for
I will defer yung mga medical questions to our